Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've recently purchased an ApoloSign digital calendar and are ready to start organizing your daily schedules, appointments, and family activities, setting it up correctly is the best place to begin. The ApoloSign digital calendar is designed to bring all your important events together in one convenient location, but proper configuration is essential for smooth syncing and reliable performance. Fortunately, the initial setup process is simple and doesn't take much time. Once everything is connected, you'll be able to manage your calendar more efficiently. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that can help you set up your Apollo Sign digital calendar successfully. Try these. Step 1. Position the Apollo Sign digital calendar where you want to use it and connect the power adapter. Step 2. Turn on the Apollo Sign digital calendar and connect it to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Sign in or create the account required for the ApoloSign digital calendar setup process. Step 4. Link the calendar services that you want the ApoloSign digital calendar to synchronize with. Step 5. Customize the display settings and preferences available on the ApoloSign digital calendar. Step 6. Verify that the ApoloSign digital calendar is displaying events and updating information properly.